In this video, we're going to be looking at a quick method to split a column in Excel. So you can see in this example that I've got a column called full names, and that displays the student names as a first and a surname. And I want to split that into separate columns, so the first name appears in one column and in the second column their surnames appear. So the first thing I need to do is I need to create a blank column to put the new information in. So I move to the column on the right hand side of the column that I'm going to split. I click on the right mouse button and I click insert, and that adds an empty column there. The next thing I want to do is select the column that I'm going to split, so the full name column in this example, and I'm going to click on the data tab at the top of Excel, and then I'm going to select the text to columns button. This opens a wizard, and this will take us through the next stage of the process. So you need delimited selected, and then we click on next, and then it gives us a list of possible delimiters, so tab, semicolon, comma, etc. But in this instance, because there's a space between their first and the second name, I've made sure that I've got space selected, and then we can see underneath that that's going to split the title column and then all the information underneath. So we're going to click on next, and we can see that it's just going to give us any chance if we wanted to change the format of anything we can do, but in this instance, because it's just text, we don't need to change anything, so we can just click on finish, and we can see that it moves it across there, and then all that's left to do is rename the columns. And if you are using this process to alter something that you're then going to upload to Moodle, you want these columns to match the name of the columns that you will be uploading that data into.